Here is how you can delete a Telegram group. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can delete a Telegram group. So let's start. First of all, open the Telegram app and log into your account. Then after, open the group that you want to delete. You can only delete such groups that you have created or you are the owner of. So it's pretty simple to delete a Telegram group. Simply tap on the three dots on the top right side. Then you will find this delete and leave group option. Tap on it and you will successfully delete the specific group. Furthermore, you can also tap on the profile photo of your group and open the group information. After that, tap on the three dots on the top right and select delete and leave group. Other than this, you can tap on the edit option on the top side. Then after, scroll below and tap on delete and leave group. After that, select this option if you want to delete the group for all the members. Then after, confirm the process by tapping on delete group. As you do that, the group will be successfully deleted. So in this way, you can easily delete a Telegram group. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.